Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GetResponse for email solutions step by step clearly. Start by logging into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the GetResponse website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the menu icon located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down, select Email Marketing. Now, click on the Create List button to set up your first email list. Enter a name for your list in the provided field. Make sure to select the correct language for your audience. Click on Create List to save your settings. Next, return to the main menu and select Automation. In the Automation section, click on Create Workflow. Choose a workflow template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Once you've selected a template, customize it according to your objectives. Now, add actions like sending an email or tagging contacts. Click on Add Action to include these steps. Next, go back to the dashboard and click on Emails. Select Create Email to start crafting your email message. Choose from the email types provided, such as regular or automated. Begin designing your email using the drag-and-drop editor. You can add text, images, buttons, and social media links. Once the design is complete, proceed to the next step. Now, configure the email settings. Enter a subject line that grabs attention. Set the sender name and email address to ensure it's recognizable. Click on Send if you want to deliver it immediately or schedule it for later. Choose your desired form type and design it accordingly. Embed the form on your website or share the link directly. Finally, monitor the performance of your campaigns. Go to the Statistics section to see open rates, click rates, and other metrics. Adjust your strategies based on these insights for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.